I'm Chris Borman. I'm the product manager for the Digital Property Group. We are a company that basically produces a lot of different websites: findaproperty.com, primelocation.com, globricks.com, and all of the mobile counterparts that go with that.
And you're holding an award there. What's the category?
It's for consumer experience. It was the iPhone app that we built for findaproperty.com. Was launched in February, and we really just concentrated on making sure that the award kind of matched all of the expectations of the consumers. So everything that we were looking for from the app was then reflected pleasingly in this award at the end of the day. I think it's probably the fact that we didn't rush into it. We didn't just immediately come out with something straight away. What we did was we listened and we researched, and then we came out with something that actually matched what our consumers expect from the website on the actual on the iPhone in this case. Ability to sync your properties between the online kind of find a property experience and then on the phone just made it very simple for people to be able to save properties between the two seamlessly. I'm really, really chuffed, to be absolutely honest. A lot of hard work went into it, a lot of kind of stressful months, hours, but no, really, really, really pleased, and I think the rest of the company will be as well.
I was going to say the team will be quite happy then.
Yeah, there's a lot of happy people. I think I need to start probably emailing and texting pretty quickly. Yeah. Well, obviously you can go to findaproperty.com and just have a look, and you'll find quite quickly and easily places to be able to download it, or we are obviously on the App Store still for iTunes.
Can you hold up that award?
I can.
Show off the camera.
Look, there we go.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
No problems. Thank you. Bye-bye.